How to change region on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. If you're trying to change region on Netflix in order to watch movies from different countries, then you can do it by connecting to a VPN. There is no separate option within the app in order to change the location. So you'll need to download a VPN onto your mobile phone or onto your desktops, depending upon which one you're using. You can either download a free or a paid VPN. If you download a paid VPN, you will have more flexibility on where you want to connect. But other than that, there are also other free VPNs which are also good. You can download something like Proton VPN. This is a free VPN to use, and there are 3 connections that you choose from. If you want more connections or more countries, then you can also try out other free VPNs that are available. You can just connect to any of the servers and your location or region on Netflix will be changed. This way you'll be able to watch movies and TV shows of different countries which were previously not available on your region. So that's basically how you do it. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you want more content similar to this, make sure to turn on that notification. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.